Welcome back to the 10K SOXL Trader Challenge Day 52. This episode is the recap for the October 28, 2025, Tuesday, trading day. No trades today, primarily focused on observation and monitoring. Market overview. Tuesday market continued high-level oscillation rhythm with three major indices setting new closing highs. However, semiconductor sector relatively weak compared to Nasdaq with volume coordination average. With signal quality below standard, chose to stay in cash and observe. Daily operations and execution. Capital based. Available capital per trade is $10,708.53. Day 51 ending balance. Orders placed in whole shares, without leverage or margin, ignoring commissions and slippage to maintain statistical consistency. Execution rules. Execute after signal confirmation. No structure or volume meeting entry conditions appeared today. Chose to stay in cash and observe. Trade details, SOXL. No trades today. Daily P&L and net asset value. Daily gross P&L. $0. Daily account return. 0.00%. Latest account balance. NAV. $10,708.53. Index and market recap. U.S. Equities overall. Three major indices set new closing highs, based on market observation. S&P 500 plus 0.2% closing at 6,890.89. Dow plus 0.3% closing at 47,706.37. Nasdaq plus 0.8% closing at 23,827.49. Small caps, R2000, down slightly minus 0.5% to 2,506.65, with style favoring large cap technology. Semiconductors and high beta, SOX plus 0.12% closing at 304.45, based on market observation, significantly lower than Nasdaq's daily gain. Market driven by heavyweight tech and individual stock catalysts, with semiconductor sector overall following in consolidation with rapid internal rotation. Interest rates and dollar. 10-year Treasury constant maturity yield at 3.99%, based on market observation, slightly down from previous trading day, 4.01%. Dollar index weakened before Fed meeting, hovering around 98.6, overall oscillating. Interest rates and dollars marginal disturbance on growth valuations remained mild. Futures and volume. Futures, spot basis and volume showed no strong resonance. In weak resonance environment, chasing highs requires second volume expansion plus price volume resonance. Confirmation priority, strategy note. Today's news. FOMC preview. This meeting scheduled for 10/28 to 10/29, with decision and implementation notes scheduled for release Wednesday 10/29 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Market continues pricing. Mild rate cut path, ahead of meeting. Corporate and industry catalysts. UPS. Earnings and guidance significantly better than expected. Stock surge, boosting Dow and market risk appetite, based on market observation. PayPal. Raised guidance and announced payment wallet partnership with OpenAI, ChatGPT. Stock strengthened, driving tech sentiment, based on market observation. Semiconductor M&A. Skyworks and Qorvo announced merger, deal size approximately $22 billion, providing sentiment support for RF, analog space, based on market observation. Market structure. Capital switching between low-level probing, high-level profit-taking, volatility in transition zone from elevated to pullback. Intraday pulses prone to retracement, short-wave strategies superior to trend-following strategies. Quantitative summary. Number of trades. 0. Daily gross P&L. $0. Daily account return. 0.00%. Latest account balance. $10,708.53. Execution and review highlights. Discipline. Adhered to. Signals before positions. Positions subject to risk control. Principle. Did not meet entry structure and volume conditions today, chose to stay in cash. Strategy: indices at historic highs with mild elevation, but semiconductors relatively weak compared to Nasdaq, SOXL plus 0.12% versus Nasdaq plus 0.8% based on market observation. More appropriate to wait for volume second confirmation, price volume resonance, before participating, avoiding emotional price chasing. Observation focus: on the eve of FOMC decision, market observational sentiment relatively strong. Waiting for market reaction after policy clarity to seek clearer entry opportunities. Closing thoughts: Day 52 chose to stay in cash and observe in high-level oscillation with average volume coordination environment, maintaining NAV at $10,708.53. In systematic trading, not trading is also an important component of trading decisions. Today's situation faced indices setting new highs, but target sector, semiconductors, relatively lagging, while FOMC decision imminent. This raises a question worth considering. For systematic trading, when broader market sets new highs but target instrument relatively lags, while facing major event risk, like FOMC decision, how does your system handle this opportunities and risks coexist situation? Do you participate with reduced position size, stay completely in cash waiting, or adjust trading instruments? How do you balance missing opportunities versus avoiding risks within your rule framework? Moving forward, continue waiting for two types of opportunities before executing: volume breakout, price volume resonance with improved continuation, confirmed stabilization after pullback to key moving averages, range lower bound, core remains, risk priority, confirmation priority, quick in and out, execution framework. If this recap is helpful, please like, save, and share for support. Also welcome to share your trading strategies before and after major events in comments. Follow the account to not miss daily live trading recap updates. See you in the next video.